And it's been awesome. It's been impactful. The first ever 2025 Banking Bootcamp for CFOs. From the very first day, it's been one level of insight into the other, one level of impact to the other.
And the most significant area, particularly IFRS 7, we miss it a lot.
The cornerstone of our audit is understanding your client business. So if you don't take time to understand it, then you start from the wrong perspective.
Someone trusting that you act fairly and don't is also shown in that particular.
This is all of those bits and pieces. They are all accountable services. So don't get it twisted that financial institutions, financial centers are agents of life. So all play ball.
If you ask me to rate the program itself in terms of an overall evaluation, I'll give it an A+. It's such a very wonderful program. I'll give it an A+, and the content is good. Selected topics that are being dealt with are very, very relevant to our work. The facilitators are quite superb, very, very superb, having very experience in the various topics that they mentioned. The examples they gave quite relevant. The case studies that we mentioned were very, very good.
So my name is Damilare Adewoyi. Work with Feather, a subsidiary of Afro-Exim Bank. This session was quite an insightful one, an enlightening one. If you look at it right from the beginning, the balance scorecard was an eye-opener, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Moving on to the second day, it was enriching, a number of standards, some hidden tricks here and there, which, made me realize that there's so much to be learned.
And from day one, it has been so exceptional. It's so good. The content is very, very good, shaping experiences and giving exposure to people. And I recommend that next year, wherever bootcamp is held, from Deloitte, make the time to be part of it. So much experiences. I'm so happy to be part of it.
Team Access Bank, I was here some.
Team Afro-Exim Bank, we were here some.
Let's go, say. Soda, hey, let's pass it. Any challenger. Come on, show me, give it to me, let's go, say. Show me.
Point for a bigger conversation going forward, and I really believe that in future most people should actually join so that they can really benefit from such programs. I think it's about time a lot of industry leaders also come together, so we'll have such a bigger forum to discuss such issues, which will move us in a step direction. I believe with this, we're not just building our institutions, but we're building a better Ghana.
26, you have to come.